Introducing Trafft, the best booking management software. With Trafft, you have more time to grow your business and make your clients happy. Trafft comes with all the features you dreamed of, including incredible UX and product support. And it is zero about the things you hate. Trafft is perfect for salons, sports and training, healthcare, professional services, education and consulting, and many more. It's dead easy to set up and use by both you, your staff, and your clients. You can customize the design to match your business. Everything is preloaded for you. Simply edit the services' names and pricing with your own and integrate the GDPR-compliant booking form into your existing website or Instagram page. You can take online payments, allow your clients to reschedule without calling you, and send them email and SMS reminders. With Trafft, losing bookings never happens, since it integrates with your and your employees' calendars, synchronizes their availability, and adds every booking in the right calendars. What else is awesome? From Trafft's dashboard, you can manage your employees, locations, including vacations and days off, and see how your business performs. And that's just a tiny sample of what Trafft can do for your business. The best part? Trafft has a free plan. Choose the best booking management software. Choose Trafft.